bishii waxay noqon kartaa bishii 2 jeer markaad shido 40 ilaa 50 midh ayaad sii kartaa.
Many years back, you know, this area, the whole area, has been full of trees. If the trees are cleared, you know, there is no chance for the water to infiltrate into the ground, and that will actually create the acceleration of runoff that creates, you know, the formation of gullies, and that means, you know, the water effectiveness will not be there.
The government of Somaliland and the Ministry of Environment, we try to stop that kind of, you know, unsustainable use of forest resource, but we couldn't succeed because there's a lack of, you know, financial resource.